In this video, we'll show you how to make texture packs for Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So texture pack or resource packs can change how Minecraft looks, and you can create your own customized texture pack for your Minecraft. So first, we need to grab the default Minecraft texture packs. You can actually customize any texture pack you want, but because I want everyone to be able to follow this video, we'll stick with the default texture packs. Before we continue, a big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, go check them out. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Apex Hosting offers fast performance with their high-speed servers, so your gameplay will be smooth and lag-free. Plus, they've got amazing customer support available 24/7 to help you out whenever you need it. Their setup process is incredibly easy, so you can start playing with your friends in minutes. If you use their service, you're supporting the channel. So, thank you so much. Alright, to easily grab Minecraft default texture packs, you can type in on Google and this website will appear at the top, texturepacks.com. So go to this website, click download links here. It will scroll you to the bottom. So let's say I want to download the latest one here, 121.11. I can click that. You can save it anywhere on your PC. It's saved and the download will start. Once you finish downloading, go to your downloads folder or anywhere you save it and you'll have the texture pack in a zip file. So we need to extract this. You can right click on the zip file, hit extract all and hit extract. You'll have it in the folder. So just open it up and now we can start customizing the simple things. This pack PNG is the icon. For example, I want to change the icon to this. I can just drag it in and then delete this and change my custom PNG to pack.png just like that, and that's done. Now for the description, you need to open this pack.mc meta file. You can right click on it, open with, choose another app, select notepad and hit always. Inside it, what you want to change is description. Once you're done, you can hit file and hit save. And now we're ready to edit the texture pack. You can open up the assets folder and then go to Minecraft and here look for a folder called textures. Inside it, you'll have everything. So for example, let's open up the block folder and as you can see, it's all a PNG file. To find exactly what you want to edit, you can use the search bar at the top right here and type it in. Right click the texture you want to edit, open with, and open it up with your photo editor. So for example, I want to use paint, select that, and now you can simply edit it however you want. On the bottom right, just zoom it in. Well, I want to change the dirt to a simpler one. I can draw it like this. Once you're done editing, you can hit save folder at the top left here. Just hit save and it'll automatically save it and replace the old texture. Once you're done customizing your texture packs, make sure to change the name of the folder. And now simply put this folder into your Minecraft installation folder. If you don't know where, you can go to your Minecraft launcher, go to installations tab, and then look for your installations, click the folder icon, go to resource packs, and simply drag and drop your texture packs folder into the resource packs. I'm in the game now, so what I can do is go to options and then resource packs and select my texture packs. Make sure your texture packs is on the top, hit done. And as you can see, the ditch texture which I added is just completely green.